necessary. The Seagulls are not terrorists.
They might be.
Good point. Kill those Seagulls!
There we go.
They're some real terrorists. They fell over.
V man.
Yes. Do not worry. Also, we have some unlocks because we tried this game out earlier. Don't worry, I'll be this dude. Here.
Okay, I'm this dude.
Yes.
Whoever he is. Ah, sorry.
1 second.
Didn't notice you.
Don't worry, I'll save us. See ya. I blew your head off. See a seagull. Also known as sea terrorists.
No. Are you trying to kill me?
No. You killed yourself. Well, no.
It was me.
I see. You and you both killed yourself. I never knew.
Obviously.
Alright. You're free. You can be this dude. Then you can die. Now I will save America to avenge you. You killed my best friend! My best friend has returned. It's like just an accident. Something I have a present for the devil. Here's Satan. We rode away together, happily.
Yay. I was trying to leave you behind, though.
Well, you failed.
So you know. Oh, I thought it
Good
was
job at dying.
you. I thought it was you.
I'm P1. You're P2.
I know, but I'm-
Ow.
Okay, we're both dead.
Yes. Now let's try again. Remember, I'm P1.
You're P1.
Yes. Just wait for all the crushy blocks to fall. And I'll save you. And now you will follow me into the sunset. I will behead a random guy. No.
Person?
Slow motion. Ow. For America! Go onwards. Find me.
Alright.
I'm in a box. Somewhere. I'm in a box right there. Shoot through the wall.
That's a weird place for you to be. Is it comfy?
Yes.
Hello, friend. Person.
Congratulations.
I said hello to the friend person.
Well, don't worry. Congratulations. As skilled as ever. 1 second. I'm gonna go a secret way. Follow me.
Or the stupid way.
Let's go the quick way.
Stupid way.
Kill him. You appear not to be dead.
I am.
Do not worry. I will slay this man.
It's true.
See ya.
You're not even like on the ladder. You're just
I'm very strong. I'm good at hanging on.
with your feet.
Yeah. Isn't that how you use ladders? Well. Alright. We have a new guy. Who has a pistol.
Okay, that exploded.
Follow me. I know what I'm doing.
Do you?
Yes. I'm
not
shooting
know
things with my flamethrower. Now I'm this dude. Ow, now I'm dead. Resurrect me. Shoot the cage. Now I am returned.
Ah, what are you doing?
I'm breaking out.
Of course. What are you doing?
It's big fatty guys. The pinnacle of terrorists.
Where'd I go?
I don't know. Where did you go? You're dead.
Oh. Wait,
Yep.
no, I'm not dead.
There you are.
Wait, no. Yeah, I'm dead.
But don't
I
worry.
guess when it went away from me, they killed me.
Don't worry. I'll find the new you. I just need to wait. Wham. There.
There I am.
There's the new you. Airstrike. Wait patiently. There's gonna be an airstrike. Blam, blam, blam. Where did Satan go? I guess he died. So I guess my airstrike killed him.
Most likely.
Alright, drive us to a new place. We go 3, C, or 2.
C or 2. Let's see.
Cambodium. Let's go to Cambodium. Well, it's not Cambodium yet, but it will be able to kill these darn terrorists. Trying to kill America.
Kill America.
Something, I don't know. They're listening bad and we're killing them. That's the point. Do not worry, I will come as this guy. 1 second. I was gonna drop that block.
I think I'm dead.
Yeah, I think you are too. 1 second. I will save us. There. A fiery explosion of death.
Perfect.
Do not worry, I will save you.
Okay.
Is this you?
No.
Okay.
Oh, it plays.
I'll shoot you. Not you. You're the Brominator. You've got a metal face. Ow, I'm dead. Follow me. I know exactly what we must do. Just wait for the flaming corpse to fall. We need to do it in slow motion.
Stop making everything slow motion.
I can't help it. Alright, you killed everyone, so I didn't have to.
What did you do that?
Boom. Be careful. There could be death around any corner.
Oh.
That was the corner death was around, apparently. Do not worry. I'm going to give a new guy. Rambro. I call this a strategy. I'll wait for the screaming to be over and run.
There's a guy. That guy is me.
Don't worry. This is the new me. Do you want to be this dude?
I don't care. Just save
Here.
me.
You're saved. Follow me. Come with me.
Sorry.
I know what I'm doing. Fine, you can be that dude. Here, catch. One time I'm making them a present. Just wait. Don't touch my present. It's very delicious. And there we go. Present over. Hey, I think I see. Is that Satan over there?
Perhaps. Ah.
Don't worry. One second. We need to destroy the block. Okay, go get the new guy.
Anyway.
Watch out, watch out! Well, now we failed the mission. Alright, I'm gonna be a shooty dude. I can't really see what I'm doing. 1 second. I'm gonna shoot the...
There are so many people alive.
Alright, here's a trick. Break the block under the door, and it destroys the door. So new enemy steps on it. Just go. Just get me a new me.
Oh, alright.
Come on, I'm up there. Just charge through them.
Second.
Oh, I do not know what you're trying to do. It's not really working. Okay, now it is. I'm back. 1 second. I'll do it. I got this. Okay, I'm dead. Find the new me. Or I'm dead. Go to the checkpoint. Go to the checkpoint. Infinite enemy spawns from the door. I'm back. We don't need to go this way. We need to go over here.
I'm dead, so it doesn't really matter.
Don't worry. I'll find the new you.
Okay. Please hurry.
Here, this is the new you. Okay, now we really need to go the other way.
More like the noob you.
There's someone behind us. What are you doing? Oh, I wasn't dead.
No.
I did not notice. Here, come back. Do you want that guy? Or do you like the dynamite one? Alright. Come over here. I think I see something important. Kill the truck.
Alright, killing the truck. Ow.
One second, I'll set everyone on fire.
Don't flamethrower me.
I didn't flamethrower you. Hey, there's a guy in the truck.
I think I killed the truck.
Yeah, I think it's dead. Come on, follow me. Hey, is that Satan?
No, it's not. It's definitely not.
Yeah, we ride away together in happiness and peace.
Where is up here? Can we ride away?
Also, you're staring at my chest for some reason. It's very muscular, so I can understand why, but... Alright. 1 second. Let's see. What do we need to do? My bolt's home. Here, I'm gonna go...
No.
See ya. Bro, brop. Or blah, blah, blah. Here, this is new you. Follow me. Alright, just climb up. Hey, I see a new guy. I'm gonna get him. Sword dude. I like sword dude.
I'm dead.
Do not worry, I will save you.
Oh yeah, I'm really good at it.
You're saved. Okay, I can't really see what I'm doing.
Probably for the best.
Alright, do we need to go forward?
And what's that?
Wait for me.
Why would I wait for you? When I can just do this.
No!
Haha.
Alright, I think this is gonna be the boss battle. Right, shoot through him, guys, until we die. This is so happy and peaceful. Could you find a new me? I need a new body to inhabit. Save this man. Save me! Thank you. Hey, is that a truck? I'm gonna shoot it.
And it's truck.
I shot it. Oh my gosh, so many trucks. Hey, what's this? It's a dude. I want to be that dude, but whatever. Okay, I'm saving this dude. Hey, don't do anything without me. I have to save a dude. I need a new life. Hey, is that Satan himself up there?
But wait, am I dead? I'm dead.
Do not worry. I would wait. Do you want me to try to find you a new you so you can come with me?
Yeah. That'd be very kind of you. Probably is someone.
Oh wait, there is no new you. Sorry.
Might be.
I guess I'll have to leave without you. Sorry. Mission accomplished.
There's a helicopter left without you.
My helicopter's too nice to leave without me.
Mean helicopter.
Hey, we're both robots.
Yeah, but I'm a cool robot.
I was a cool robot, but now I'm a cool human. Hey, look, a checkpoint. Hey, look, a dogs. Hey, look, some helicopter parachute bros. I'm Rainbow. I'm gonna go in guns blazing. I'm a peaceful Rainbow. I wouldn't kill anyone. That would be mean.
Well, I'm not peaceful.
Well, you should be. You should be nice to everyone you meet, because they might murder you someday. Indiana Brown. Fine, you can be with dude. Haha, no, not with dude.
You blew me up.
No, that dude.
Oh, I'm this dude.
Yes, there's me over here. Walk for. Oh, there's me right here. Save! I've saved it. I'm gonna save this man. One second, I can't see. Stop shooting. I can't see. Boss battle, save me. Save me, or else you will die. Thank you.
Save.
1 second, I'm gonna go down here.
No, I'm dead.
It's safer down here. Now you're not dead. Here, let's go up here. Come on, follow me. We can shoot this helicopter. Stuck. One second. I must climb up so I can shoot it. Ha!
Alright, kill it.
I don't think it's doing anything.
Yes, you are. Look at the fake.
No, I don't think that helicopter's doing anything. Helicopter is I think the helicopter's dead already.
Just shoot it.
Shot it down.
Alright, there we go.
And we saved the world for America.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Save America. We're gonna save America some more later. See you guys in the next video.
Wait, let me kill a seagull.
Alright, we're gonna kill a seagull before the next video. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill one. They're not that hard to kill. Seagulls are very weak. You just have to touch them with your helicopter.
It's an invincible seagull.
Are you sure? Let me try.
Ah, there we go.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.